I went over the point of use filtration. That's basically at the where you're turning on the faucet itself. So that's going to take care of just the location of where you turn on the faucets versus the whole home, which hooks up at your main water line coming into the home. They're normally larger systems. You'll see them sitting in the garage or just outside a house. They're larger tanks. Those systems will actually they're bigger, but they take care of your whole home. So your whole house now has the benefits of that filtration. The point of use ones, a lot of times it's a do-it-yourself. You can clean the filters yourself. You can do the maintenance yourself. You can do a lot of things with the point of use that you don't need a professional maintenance on. The whole home ones, you want to get a professional plumber to install those because there's a lot more